Story name, The Runaway Train. Ayan and Riya met on a rainy evening, at a train station in Kolkata. There was no plan, as true love doesn't happen. Riya stood silently. A broken umbrella in her hand, tears in her eyes. Ayan, who was standing next to her, didn't say anything at first. But after a while, he came forward and offered his umbrella. Riya hesitated a little, then smiled. That's where it all started. The daily train journey slowly turned into conversations. In the midst of those conversations, laughter, friendship, and an invisible attraction developed between the two. But not all stories have a happy ending. One day, Riya didn't come back. Ayan waited, counted the days. No phone number, no news. Riya was lost in the flow of time. 3 years later, Ayan suddenly entered a bookstore and saw Riya, a little girl in her arms. Tears in her eyes, surprise on her lips. Riya said in a slow voice. "I didn't want to get lost, life has dragged me away, Ayan." Ayan smiled, hiding the pain deep in his heart. Then he looked at the girl and said, "She is just like you, magical. Love doesn't always end. Sometimes it remains. In the gaps of memories, in the silence of unspoken words, like a rushing train." Performing arts message, moral. Not all love stories have a happy ending. Some stories remain forever incomplete, yet they remain deep in the heart.